Y'all, I don't know what happened to the intro of this video, but if you want to see me get this color, stay tuned. Right now, she is... What are you doing, Apple? Come on, you know too much.
I'm greasing it so it...
She's mixed up 30 the volume developer, 40? What 30? 30, and then she put some bleach powder in. So we got like a pancake batter consistency. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's what happened, right? I just seen you do it. Come on now.
You got every angle I switch. You don't have to...
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna come back when she's applying the bleach. We're back and we're going. I don't know if we're doing this the right way, but this is the way we did last time in the work, so. Hey guys, this is me. Ooh, this shit's strong. This is me coming back. I'm about to put it back in the thing, but I'm just waiting for my ends to turn, because you know the roots always turn faster. Talk to you when I get back. Okay, my sister has now bleached my hair, and before I take this off, I just got the shower. Before I take this off, I want y'all to know like different parts are different colors, like different shades, but you know, since I'm putting the color on top of it, it doesn't really matter. This part of my hair got really white. Ooh, cute girl. Okay. Right. And my curls that I mess up, everything is good. Yeah, so I'm about to get some gloves and be right back. Hair, like, it has grown so much. So much. It's grown so much. Yes, girl. It looks a little fuzzy, but that's because I just get out the towel. I kind of brushed it out too, so we have so cute. Now, if you guys look over here, this part has completely gone back because it's a little shorter than the rest, but I had to cut it because I had some heat damage from a ponytail I did for Valentine's Day. My boyfriend took me out, so I was like, you know, I'm gonna do a ponytail.
We'll be right back.